Susan, Susan, is it everything you ever wanted? Suzanne. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Susan by Passenger. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 6, okay? And we're playing the following chords. C, this is the chorus, to G, and then D minor to F. C, G, and then D minor to F. Alright, now this is a pretty easy song for beginners because you're basically strumming through, and the strumming pattern is really easy. So this is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Alright, and then the verse goes like so. Okay, so this is the intro. C, E minor. Okay, so C to E minor, F to G. This is the same as the verse, F to G. And then A minor, E minor, F, C, G, A minor again, E minor, F, G, and then we get into the chorus. So that's pretty much it for the verse. The first verse and the second verse are the same, the choruses are the same. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. If you're not familiar though with the chords that I was using, yeah, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description below. That's been it for this tutorial, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.